Hi guys, how are you? I'm Shubham and you are also watching my YouTube channel A to Z with Shubham. So specifically in that video, we will see the important questions about the computer architecture and operating system. So in that specific series, important question series, previously we saw the very ambiguous question about the Python programming language. So now it's time for the computer architecture and operating system. So I hope this is most important video for yourself regarding to your semester examination. So you must watch that video till end and without skip anything. So let's start. This is first chapter, which is Introduction to Computer Architecture. So inside that, I found the various broad question as well as short note. So first of the time, we can explain here most important broad questions. So here are total four important questions. I think so. First is explain in detail the architecture I'm working of RAM and ROM with need diagram. So second one is describe the various components of CPU organization and explain instruction execution and interrupt. So then third one is explain number system in detail, binary, octal, and hexadecimal, and show the conversation between them with example. So third one, last one is what are Boolean circuits? Explain logic gate and their application in designing hub, adder, full adder, decoder, and multiplier. So then we will see here the four short note, which are what is the difference between half adder and full adder. Then explain the working, the deep sleep flow. Then third one is what are different type of the memory in memory hierarchy. And last one is write short note on addressing mode. So these eight IMP question on that particular chapter, which is Introduction to Computer Architecture. Then we will see here chapter number two, Introduction to Operating System. So here are four broad question and four short note. So firstly, we will see here four broad question. This is first question. So the which is explain different type of OS with example. Describe various memory management techniques such as paging, segmentation, and virtual memory. Then explain CPU scheduling, its criteria, and different scheduling algorithm in detail. Discuss process management, process state, process control block, PCB, and process scheduling. These four are ambiguation and chapter number two. So then we'll see here short note. So there are four short note, which is what is OS, explain its functions, write a short note on virtual memory, what is segmentation in memory management, explain process scheduling in brief. So there's all question which is also important on chapter number two. Then we will see here chapter number three. So there are total eight questions important. So firstly, we will see here four broad question, and then we'll see here a short note. Firstly, first four question is explain inter process communication (IPC) and process synchronization. Discuss the role of semaphore with example of classic synchronization problems. Then second one is describe deadlock in detail and explain various methods for handling in prevention, dedication, and recovery. Then third one is explain the concept of input output processing, describe input output devices, interface, and modes of data transfer. And last one is what is an input output processor, explain its working, architecture, and advantages in system performance. Then we will see here for short note on that specific chapter, interprocess communication, which are what is a critical region in process synchronization, explain semaphore and its type, what is deadlocker, what is direct memory access DMA. So this is questions on chapter number three, interprocess communication. Then we will see your last one in introduction to Linux. This is based on Linux, and which is a very important chapter regarding to a semester examination. So there are four broad question as well as four short notes. So firstly, we can see here four broad question. Broad question. So there are first is explain the architecture of Linux OS with a neat diagram and describe each layer in detail. Describe the history, development, and important features of Linux. Explain um, various dictionary and file handling commands in Linux with example. Explain the concept of shell scripting. Discuss various operators, conditionals, and looping statement, and shell function with suitable example. So there are a total four broad question on this chapter. So then we will see your short note. There are four short notes which is explain what is Linux, write any four features of Linux, what is the difference between kernel and shell, write short note on Linux file structure, what are shell variable in Linux. So there's eight questions which are important on chapter number 4. So these all questions and all chapter questions is very important regarding to a semester examination. I hope this video is most important for yourself. So if then I will repeat it all those videos. So if do you like this video, so please subscribe the channel as well as like the video and share more and more and comment more and more. So thank you so much. Thank you guys. We will see again in next video together. So thank you so much. Thank you.